Okay, so now you have been through the theory of the setup, we'll apply it to a real life use case and hope that it makes sense. So what we need to do is imagine that I work for a major sportswear retailer. And what we want to do next is target customers in our database whose favourite brand is Nike, so that they can be used in a Facebook campaign that will promote a Nike sale that will launch next week. We already have defined the new audience here, and as we have previously shown, click the Settings card to configure the audience. In this case, the audience needs to consist of only consented individuals, and therefore the consent field is automatically present at the top. Remember, the presence of the consent field is determined by the settings of the marketing platform the audience is being sent to. Firstly, I'll input the consent field, in this case, marketing opt-in, to 1. 1 equates to yes. So now the interesting segmentation can begin. I'm going to use this audience in the upcoming campaign promoting the Nike sale. With this in mind, I'm going to target customers who are loyal Nike purchasers. To do this, I'll choose the AND logic to generate a new field. Next, I'll drag in top brand from the drop-down box. I'll choose equals, and in the search bar type Nike. From a quick observation of my audience size, I can see that it's quite large. So while I'll test this audience as part of the campaign, in this example, I'm going to add another filter to make the audience more defined and therefore potentially more valuable. To do this, I'm going to choose the AND logic again, and this time drag in average order value. From my knowledge of the business, I know that the average order value of the total customer base is around £30. So in order to target higher value customers, I'm going to use this as a minimum for the audience. This generates a new audience size. Within a couple of minutes, I now have a contactable base of high value Nike customers to target on Facebook. So to finish, I'll save and schedule the audience and then run it and return to Audiences Overview. All that's left to do now is apply the audience in a Facebook campaign and monitor the performance.
That concludes the Analyst training. To recap, we have covered an overview of the Builder UI, demonstrated how to create new audiences, how to edit existing ones, and also taken you through a real-life use case. We hope that you now feel confident to get hands-on with the Audiences tool and set up your own audiences. Remember, you can rewind and watch the video as many times as you would like, and if you have any comments or questions, please email us on support@audiences.data.com. Thank you for joining, and we hope you have found it useful.